everyone, guess where are we today? We are at Dinh Phong Company in Tân Nguyên City, Bình Dương, Vietnam. They are the expert in creating all kinds of luggages with their skilled team and multiple production lines. We are so excited to explore the amazing products that they are producing here. Let's go! Selena, nice to meet you.
Hi everyone. Welcome to our factory.
Thank you. I can't wait to dive into the world of Dinh Phong Suitcase. Can you tell us more about your company and factory?
Our factory nestled in Tân Uyên City, Bình Dương Province, specializes in crafting top quality hard cases like ABS, PP, and PC chassis. We take pride in our proficiency in these luggage types. Let me take you to walk around.
Yeah, sure. Let's go inside. Wow, your factory is impressive. Do you have the plan to expand the production?
Yes, currently we operate with 5 high-speed production lines and 150 skilled workers, achieving a monthly production capacity of around 100,000 suitcases. However, we continuously upgrading and adding machinery. By the end of next year, we're looking at 12 production lines, expecting a production capacity exceeding 200,000 pieces per month. We are investing in advanced machinery and refining our production processes. It's an exciting time for us, and we are excited about the prospects ahead.
It is the largest size of value of suitcase?
Yes, this size is in 29 inches.
Oh wow! Can you share more about your export market?
Yes, we already export to over 20 countries around the world, including North America and Western Europe.
I can tell you offer many advantages for your buyers. Can you share more about Dinh Phong comparative advantages?
Certainly, we take pride in several strengths: flexibility in order size, OEM capability. These aspects meet our customer expectations. Please visit Dinh Phong online booth and Global Sourcing Fair 2024.
Thank you for sharing interesting insight about Dinh Fong's story. Viewers, I'm pretty sure that you get deeper understanding about how Dinh Phong stand out in the market. Pre-register now to stay updated on the latest innovation and offerings at our show, Global Sourcing Fair 2024.
Before we move to the next supplier, take a few minutes to watch the video Global Sourcing Fair Vietnam 2024.